going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from downtown Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. We're going to walk around, see what the city has to offer. If you're happy about this video, crush up the likes, and let's start this virtual tour. Here's the Queen Street bus station. This kind of reminds me of the CBD in Adelaide, the mall. Brat House. Get you a bratwurst. Bratwurst and chips for $5. So yeah, this is basically the main city center, Queen Street. Bus station right there. There is about 2.5 million people that live in the Brisbane metropolitan area. As I said before, it is the third largest city in Australia, bigger than Perth, behind Sydney and Melbourne, but larger than Adelaide also. But the largest city in Queensland, which is home to Gold Coast, Surfers Paradise, Sunshine Coast, Cairns. Look at this city, it's just so packed, so condensed in some of these city centers. South Bank is not quite as busy as this main city center. Right over there is the CBD, the city center of Brisbane. So you cross the river, the Brisbane River. That's a walking bridge if you want to do it that way. Anyways, let's cruise this riverfront and check out Brisbane. Oh man, got like this little swimming pool thing here with sand and everything. Got a beer garden over there. What is this place? This area here is called Eat South Bank. It's like a beer garden and South Beach Social. And then South Bank Parklands. So one of the perks with being overcast is the weather. It's a little bit cooler. So in the Clem Jones Promenade, which is known as South Bank Parklands, you have a Nepalese pagoda, rainforest walk, City Cat Terminal, Riverside Green, the beach, River Quay. So much going on in the parklands on the South Bank, and they have beer gardens. For those of you who enjoy a nice beer, the river tour, $29 for an adult, $24 for a child. And right next to the Ferris wheel is going to be the Nepalese pagoda. It's a Buddhist pagoda. And next to the pagoda is going to be the river walk, or the rainforest walk that leads you back out onto the river walk. Brisbane is quite the tropical place. In case you're wondering, it is Wednesday at about 12:30 in the afternoon. Now you can see why they call it the Parklands. If you wanted to get a ferry or some sort of boat to go across to the other side, the main CBD, city center, you just go to one of these terminals here. You got South Bank 1, South Bank 2, all the way over to 4. And way off in the distance you have the walking bridge. Botanic Gardens. A common theme in many of these cities in Australia, they all seem to have a botanic garden. And I bring you to most of them because they're all unique and special in their own way. Is there going to be crocodiles in here? Let's see. I feel like there might be crocodiles, but there's not. There's ducks. Where there's ducks, there's likely not crocodiles. Hello. So this sits on the southern point of Brisbane, facing the river. Look at all these different kind of wildlife and lizard. Hello, buddy. With a big old eel or something. Gar, I don't know. Beautiful botanical garden. Natural canopy to get out of the rain. It is summertime and rainy.
right, everybody, that's going to conclude this episode from Brisbane, Australia, and we'll see you on the next one.